Hi guys, this is Phil with Seachoice, and today I'd like to talk about the Seachoice Oil to Gas Measuring Container. This is part number 21000. If you have a two-stroke engine, this container will help you measure the correct amount of oil every time. It even works for outdoor tools like chainsaws and weed whackers. All you have to do is find the gas to oil ratio for your engine on the container. If you do not know the ratio, then you should be able to find it in the user's manual that came with your engine. But let's say, for the sake of this example, that your ratio is 50:1. Next, fill your gas can with gas. Let's say you have a 5-gallon can, fill it to exactly 5 gallons. Back to our mixing container, locate the 50:1 column on the container and locate the 5-gallon fill mark. Now you pour your engine oil up to the 5-gallon fill mark, and there's no need to add fuel to this at any time. The mixing of the oil and the fuel will happen when we move the oil to our tank. And don't forget to agitate your gas tank, mixing the oil with the fuel. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Have a great day.